If you are like me that love plants, flowers, you of course will love to bring some of the outdoor indoor to continue enjoying the nature. But with that, we also will bring some problems indoor, and in my opinion, one of the more annoying is fungus gnats. For months, I had been trying different methods, vinegar in a container, water, and soap. Yes, they work somehow, but these two that I'm bringing to you today have been the more efficient so far. That's why I want to share with you. Fungus gnats are so annoying flying around the house. I will give you these two tips that will help you to get rid of them permanently and prevent any future infestation. I have great results. If you want to try any of these products by yourself, I will be leaving the link below so you can try. And here my first tip, mosquito bits. You can mix the mosquito bit with the water that you're gonna be watering your plants, and the bacteria will go into your water, and of course when you water your plants, that will kill those larvae and mosquito eggs that are in the soil. And this is what we are looking for, to kill them. In my case, I just sprinkle them on the top of the soil and that works. I don't mind seeing the mosquito bits on top of my plants. But if you mind, you can do it this way, but also you can cover with a little layer of the soil. And then after I do that is when I water my plants. So all those bacteria will go down to the soil. I'm gonna kill those eggs and larvae. And also I clean and I wash the container where my plants are. Okay, this is to kill all the eggs and larvae, but we still have the adult snack. So the solution is this yellow sticky trap. They work amazing. This yellow sticky trap comes with this little stick to make it easy to stick on the soil. So you just place it into the soil and your plants, and when the bud get into it, will not be able to continue flying, and of course will be trapped. This one is not only working for gnats, of course it works for mosquito or any kind of bug that can be around your house. You can get some surprises. A little bit about fungus gnats. They love the wet soil. So try to leave the soil to get dry completely. That way, some of the eggs will die. And the adults one, they're going to like to put any new eggs on the dry soil. So that will work. Those adult snacks, guys, will lead about 200 eggs into the soil. And only takes 3 days for those eggs to become larvae. Those larvae will feed from organic material, from your plant's roots that are wet. It takes about 2 weeks for them to turn to adults. So you have some time to prevent them to become adults. Look at this yellow sticky. A lot of gnats there. These are the adults. They were ready to go into the soil and put some more eggs. But we catch them on time, and we're going to continue preventing them to go in the soil with the mosquito beats. How you can see here, less adult snacks are showing up. I am so happy I found the solution for this problem. I was so stressed about it. I am happy also that I decided to share with you. So if any of you have this situation in your house and you couldn't find a solution, here you have one, and you're gonna have great results, I promise. So now it's time to enjoy my indoor plants and these beautiful lights that I got it from my daughter, Kuka. Thank you, they look beautiful. For today, I'm going to say bye-bye. See you in my next video. Enjoy life to the fullest, and remember, cook, plant, and decor, and be happy. Bye-bye.